Hey guys, John Conley here from UncleJohnSoap.com. Happy Saturday. Today I wanted to talk to you a little bit about, soap selling and different things like that. And then at the end, we'll go ahead and announce the winner of yesterday's soap giveaway, our 3-bar giveaway. So we're going to do it a little bit different today. I'm going to kind of walk around with you. Hopefully I won't shake you up too bad and make you all nauseous. So take your Dramamine and let's go. Okay guys. Today I wanted to talk to you about accessories. So, yeah, we know you make soap. You're going to sell soap, whether it's farm market, craft show, or whatever. That's great. You don't have to have that many varieties, but, you want enough for people to choose. Everybody's going to have a different style that they like, whether it's a spicy scent, a citrus, a floral. You get the idea. But to go along with that, I found out early on that even if you don't sell much of it, you got to have something else for people to look at and put their hands on. I found that people tend to buy more soap when there's other things around it to look at. And some people like the accessories too. So, simple. Don't overcomplicate it. Nail brushes, foot care, back scratchers, preferably something without the other company's logo on it. Back brushes, back scrubbers. These things are cool. Sisal, love them. The standard loofahs and sponges, Sisal pouches. These pouches are really cool. Something that, especially at farm markets, people tend to like the more natural products. So, natural Sisal fiber. You can put your bar of soap right in there, cinch it up. Built-in washcloth. It doesn't leave the residue on the edge of your tub, things like that. Also, don't be afraid to make other products. Deodorants, lotions, tub up some shea butter. These are really great at farm markets. Sorry if things went blurry there. Lip balms, things like that. Bamboo toothbrushes. So, mix it up a little. Again, you're not going to take all of this to a farm market. Usually you only get like a 10 by 10 spot at most farm markets that I've ever seen. But it's good to have something to choose from. Soap pouches, giant Sisal washcloths. These things are monsters. Our little wooden soap trays. So yeah, and like I said, other products, scrubs, things like that. Make sure you have plenty of bags on hand. Whether you do paper or plastic or whatever, something for the customers to carry it away in. Laundry soap. That's something that's not super complicated that people at the farm markets and even craft shows tend to really appreciate. Dryer balls. So yeah, use your imagination. You probably won't take that stuff to a farm market unless you're the one making it. Wax melts. Wax melts are pretty easy. Easy to make, easy to display. Have at it. And of course, soaps. Like I said, it's always nice to have a variety. Yeah, we made those 2 empty spots. We'll be filling those this weekend. It's always good to have a variety. Bath bombs. Extra help. Okay, guys, so that gives you a general idea. I know I kind of blew through it. I was trying to keep the video kind of short. It's the weekend. I know not everybody's going to sit down and watch YouTube. But basically you got to find your style, set up your table, your display to kind of match your personality and your style. My thing was always wooden furniture, wooden this, wooden that, brown craft bags, things like that. A little more natural looking. I don't get into the black felt displays and things like that. So I'm a little more country that way, I guess you could say, which is fine. Everybody's got their style and people will adapt to your style, but you got to have something for them to look at. Add some color, some pizzazz. Oh, signage. Make sure you add signage, man. I am so bad at putting price signs on things, even in this store. And a lot of people are shy when it comes to asking about prices. Not everybody. Some will blow you out of the water with some of their questions, but go ahead and put signage on there. Let them know the pricing. That way, if they're too shy to kind of ask, a lot of them will look at it and walk away. They won't even bother. I find that more often than not, if the price is there, people tend to appreciate it. All right, so yesterday we did a giveaway, 3 bars of soap with our spring/summer scents. We went ahead and picked our winner. Like I said, great response. I appreciate it, guys. We kind of numbered everybody in the order they came in, and we went to random.org and used their random number generator. Love that site. I don't know why, just random numbers. Our winner is Shannon D from Odessa, Texas. So congratulations. You got 3 bars of soap here, packed up, ready to roll. Sorry, I keep looking at myself instead of you guys. I don't know. I'm distracted easily. Squirrel. Anyway, all right. Have a great weekend, guys. And we'll do this again. I'm going to try to make this a fairly regular thing where we'll do a giveaway every so often. Excuse me. And see how it goes. I appreciate you all tuning in and subscribing. Oh, I meant to tell you. One of you guys that entered the contest yesterday in your email gave me one of the weirdest, wildest, coolest quotes I've ever seen in my life. And I can't remember your name. I'm so sorry. But this lady complimented us and said that my beard is fluffin' awesome. So I think I'm going to steal that. We may have to use that on something, maybe a product or something. All right, guys, have a great weekend. Thank you.